In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. Subtitles can be incredibly helpful, whether you're trying to better understand foreign language films or simply prefer having text to accompany dialogue. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find the series or movie you want to watch. You can browse through the categories available or use the search bar at the top of the page to locate a specific title. Once you've made your selection, click on it to go to the detail page. Here, you'll see the option to either play the content if it's new to you or resume if you've already started it before. Click on your preferred option to begin the video playback. As your video begins to play, look towards the playback controls. These are usually found at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like a speech bubble, or a little box, often labelled as Subtitles and Audio. Click on this icon to open the subtitle menu. This is where you will control all your subtitle settings. In the Subtitles menu, you'll notice a list of available languages. Amazon Prime Video typically offers a variety of languages depending on the content you're watching. Simply scroll through the list and select the language in which you would like your subtitles to appear. Once you click on your desired language, the subtitles should automatically start displaying on the screen. It's important to note that if you don't see a wide range of languages, the availability of subtitle languages can vary depending on the specific film or series, and subtitles may not be available for all selections. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on subtitles for your movie or series on Amazon Prime Video. This small adjustment can greatly enhance your viewing experience, allowing you to catch every word without missing a beat. If you wish to turn off the subtitles at any point, you can follow the same steps and select Off at the top of the subtitle menu. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Should you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Enjoy your next binge watch with the added clarity and context that subtitles provide.